How to delete the old text and add new text in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the old text and you can create the new text in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and you can see I have already opened up a project, my old project, and you can see I have already added up the text there. So if I want to delete that text and I can add the new text, so I can just simply scroll the list down below and you can see the delete option. So I can just delete the text and you can see I have no more text there. Now if I want to add the text again, I can tap here on the text option and you can see I can add the new text. For example, my text, and you can see my new text will be added. I can also change the style of my text, and you can see I can change the font, I can change the color, I can change the background, I can change the format, and there are many more options. So this is how you can easily delete the text and add the new text in your YT Create application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.